Chrome says your connection is not private. Here are 15 ways to fix it, starting with the quickest.
This is what you will see. Chrome blocks the site before anything loads, so your data never reaches the page. The exact error code at the bottom tells you which fix to try first. This one, net://ARR_CERT_AUTHORITY_INVALID, is the most common. And if the site uses HSTS, Chrome gives you no button at all. You will have to fix the cause.
Solution 1. Press Ctrl plus R to reload. Still failing? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus R for a hard reload that skips the cache. Then double-check the URL because one typo can land you on a server with the wrong certificate. And make sure the address starts with HTTPS.
Solution 2. The most common cause of all. A wrong clock makes every certificate look expired. Right-click the clock in the taskbar. Choose Adjust Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Then click Sync Now. This fixes the net://ERR_CERT_date_invalid error.
Solution 3. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to open an incognito window. If the site loads there, the problem lives in your extensions or cached data, so keep going to solutions 4 and 5.
Solution 4. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete to open clear browsing data. Choose All Time, tick Cookies and other site data, tick Cached images and files, and click Clear Data. Reload the site. You may need to sign back in to some sites.
Solution 5. Type Chrome://extensions and turn off every extension. If the site loads, re-enable them one by one to find the one breaking the certificate check. Then update or remove it.
Solution 6. Security software that scans encrypted connections re-signs certificates with its own authority, and Chrome sometimes rejects that. Turn off HTTPS scanning temporarily. Here is where it hides in the most common products. Test the site, then re-enable it.
Solution 7. Switch to your phone's mobile hotspot and try again. If the site loads, your network was the problem. Otherwise, restart the router. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, plug it back in, and retry.
Solution 8. Windows only. Press the Windows key plus R, type inetctl.cpl, and press Enter. Open the Content tab, click Clear SSL State, then restart your browser. This wipes stale certificate data stored outside Chrome.
Solution 9. Open Command Prompt and run ipconfig /flush DNS. If that is not enough, open your network adapter's properties. Choose Internet Protocol version 4 and set the DNS servers to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4.
Solution 10. Open Chrome://settings/help. If an update is waiting, click Relaunch. Also check Windows Update. An outdated browser can miss the certificate authority's modern sites use.
Solution 11. A bit more advanced. Some networks block the QUIC protocol. Open Chrome://flags #enable-QUIC. Set experimental QUIC protocol to disabled and click Relaunch. There is a companion flag. Allow -insecure-localhost for local test servers.
Solution 12 for office or school networks. If your company inspects encrypted traffic, ask IT for their certificate authority file. Press the Windows key plus R, type certmgr.msc, and import the certificate into trusted root certification authorities using the import wizard.
Solution 13. Type Chrome://settings/reset. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then Reset Settings. Your bookmarks, history, and passwords are kept. Extensions and temporary data are not.
Solution 14. A last resort, and only for sites you absolutely trust. Click Advanced, then proceed to example.com unsafe. If there is no button because of HSTs, click the page and type the hidden keyword, "This is unsafe," all as one word. Never bypass warnings on banking, shopping, or email sites. And note, this keyword can change in future Chrome versions.
Solution 15. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all. Test the site on another device or on mobile data. Check the certificate with SSL Labs. If it fails everywhere, the website certificate is expired or misconfigured, and only the site owner can fix it.
So why does this happen? 4 buckets: your device, the clock, the cache, extensions, security software, antivirus, firewalls, VPNs, the network, DNS, public Wi-Fi, corporate inspection, and the website itself, expired or mismatched certificates. Most cases live in the first 2 buckets, which is why the early fixes work most of the time.
One more thing worth knowing. In October 2026, Chrome turns on Always Use Secure Connections by default for everyone. Sites without HTTPS will ask permission before loading. Expect more security warnings and keep these fixes handy. Quick recap: reload, sync the clock, try incognito, clear the cache, disable extensions, check your antivirus, switch networks, clear the SSL state, flush DNS, update everything, try the flags, install the corporate certificate, reset Chrome, and only as a last resort, carefully bypass. Start with the quick fixes and stay safe online. Thanks for watching.